สวัสดีค่ะ Good afternoon, honorable judges, my sisters, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Suchata Chungsi. It is my honor to be standing here representing Thailand. Coming from an international relations studies background, I see that this is not only just a diplomatic event, but it is an opportunity, a chance for all of us to represent our country while speaking up for what we believe in and what we stand up for. Mine is breast cancer. I believe that basic healthcare is not something that only people who can afford it can have it, but it's rather something that's for everyone, regardless of the life they were born into or how much money they have. And that is why I'm standing here today, speaking in the name of them. Back when I was 16 years old, I had a benign tumor removal surgery at my breast. Although it wasn't fatal, the emotional impact was overwhelming. I can still remember the sound of the clock ticking, the coldness of the temperature of the operation room, and the tears running down my cheeks, thinking, the time has come where I walk alone. And then I thought to myself, I'm so scared getting through all of this, despite all the resources, all the support system that I have. And what about those women who have no support system, no resource, not even access to basic healthcare they deserve? That made the way I see breast cancer change completely. It is something that could happen to anyone, even a little girl that I was. When it happens, it's not like one of those alarms that you snooze off every morning. It's one of those where it shakes your soul and the souls of those who love you. In my beloved country, Thailand, more than 1,900 women each year were diagnosed with breast cancer, and almost 5,000 of them couldn't make it. And to take this even further, it took the lives of 670,000 women each year, and it could reach 1.1 million by 2050 if we don't do anything about it. Recently, not long ago, I had a wonderful and informational conversation with a representative of the World Health Organization. But the truth that I discovered was truly sad and heartbreaking. Women in lower income areas are more likely to die from breast cancer, not because the disease is aggressive or unstoppable, but because early detection and treatment is too far away from their reach. It reaches the point where help was too late or help never came for them at all. Even in my country, unfortunately, less than 5% of breast cancer cases were early detected. And behind these stats, it's not just a number, it's a human being, a mother, a sister, a daughter, who means the world to someone. And one day that world could be yours too. And that is why Opal for Her, My Beauty with a Purpose exists. We aim to create not only awareness, but a future where fears and barriers cannot stand between us and our dreams. We've collaborated with the Public Minister of Public Health, the National Cancer Institute, hospitals, private sectors, public sectors, and nonprofit organizations. So far, we have raised more than 1 million Thai baht to support breast cancer system and offering free breast screenings for women across Thailand. Moreover, we created a podcast called Braveheart, featuring real-life stories, interviews with doctors, patients, and survivors in order to spread correct information and raise awareness about breast cancer, and most importantly, to let those in the battle know that they are not fighting alone. In the near future, I wish to provide scholarships for medical students because I strongly believe that one dedicated life of a doctor can save hundreds or even thousands of lives. We are building bridges, bringing the local community closer to the national healthcare system, and to ensure that every woman, no matter who they are, no matter where they're from, get the medical and healthcare they deserve. And this is only the beginning. With Miss World, my vision is to expand Opal for her beyond Thailand, across Asia, across the world, because this is something we owe. We owe it to every woman, to every girl, and to every single one of our future generations. And before I leave, I'd like to give you this breast cancer symbol pin, just as a reminder that your life and the life of people you love is important. Thank you.